Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper 1978. So let's start. The acid test. It means a decisive and conclusive test to determine the true value or nature of something. यानी किसी चीज़ की हकीकी कदर या नौइयत का तयन करने के लिए एक फैसला कुन और हतमी इम्तिहान. Example sentences. His ability to handle pressure was the acid test during the final moments of the game. A bad hat. It means a person who is considered dishonest, untrustworthy or likely to cause trouble. यानी एक ऐसा शख्स जैसे बेईमान, नाकाबिल एतमाद या परेशानी का बायस समझा जाता है. Example sentences. The new employee turned out to be a bad hat, stealing office supplies and spreading false rumors. In a blue funk. It means in a state of fear, anxiety or depression. यानी खौफ, इज़्तिराब या अफसुर्दगी की हालत में. Example sentences. After receiving the unexpected news, she was in a blue funk for days. Down at heel. It means in a poor or shabby condition, especially regarding one's appearance or circumstances. ख़राब हालत में, ख़ास तौर पर किसी की ज़ाहिरी शक्ल या हालात के बारे में. Example sentences. His hardship is evident. He always looks down at heel, constantly struggling with financial difficulties. To die in harness. It means to continue working or to remain active in one's occupation until the very end of one's life. यानी काम जारी रखना या ज़िंदगी के इख्तिताम तक अपने पेशे में सरगर्म रहना. Example sentences. Despite his age, the dedicated teacher decided to die in harness, imparting knowledge to generations of students until his last breath. Dead as doornail. It means to emphasize that something is unquestionably lifeless or inanimate. यानी इस बात पर जोर देना कि कोई चीज़ बिलाशुबा बेजान है. Example sentences. The old car in the backyard is dead as a doornail. There is no chance it will start again. To raise coin. It means to raise funds or gather money. यानी चंदा इकट्ठा करना या रकम जमा करना. Example sentences. The community organized a charity event to raise coin for the local school's renovation. To strike one's colors. It means to surrender or admit defeat, especially in a military context. The term originates from the practice of lowering ship's flag as a sign of surrender. यानी हथियार डालना या शिकस्त तस्लीम करना, ख़ास तौर पर फ़ौजी तनाजुर में. ये इस्तिलाह हथियार डालने की अलामत के तौर पर जहाज़ के झंडे को नीचे करने की मशक से निकलती है. Example sentences. After facing relentless attacks, the enemy ship had no choice but to strike its colors and submit to the victorious fleet. To carry the day. It means to win, succeed or emerge victorious in a particular situation or endeavor. यानी किसी खास सूरत हाल या कोशिश में जीतना या कामयाब होना. Example sentences. Despite facing tough competition, the team's exceptional performance carried the day and they emerged as the champions. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.